going to be making this cute origami cube, and you're going to need a square paper. I'm using sticky notes today, and you'd like a highlighted marker to write on it at the end. So firstly, you can get your square piece of paper, and you're going to fold it into a triangle and make sure it's even sized. And then you're going to fold it again. Make sure it's properly. So after, you're going to open it up. And you're going to flip it upside down so it kind of looks like this. And you're going to fold it in half. So now you can see. So now you're going to open this up, and this is going to be a little hard, but you're going to kind of make it into a pyramid, but it's going to be taking. So basically you're going to bend this corner and then you just kind of bend it like there, and then you're going to bend it there and there. So this is just the half way I've done. This is half side, and I have to make it the other side. So now you've done the pyramid, should kind of stand. So now you're going to get one corner of this pyramid and fold it up to the top. And then you're going to get the other corner and fold it up to the top. So you kind of got a diamond shaped, and it would look more like that. And now you're going to basically just do at the back the same thing, just up there and up here. So now you've kind of got a diamond, like a diamond. And so now we're going to be folding it. We're going to fold the diamond corner into like a corner. And then you're going to fold the other corner. And now you're going to get the other side and just flip it in the same side on the other side. And so now this is where a little tricky is. You're going to need a little help. So you're going to try and kind of open this corner. We'll have a little opening bit, and just open it with your fingers. And you're going to get the top corner that can move and just put it in there. And just push it, and then just close it back on. So it kind of looks like that. Like there. And you're going to get the same and just open that thing up. Kind of open it and just open it. Ugh. And you're going to get the corner and just fit it in. Try and fit it in. Like, it's really hard to, but. And now you've done the side now. And you're going to get the other side and just kind of put it in again, the same as the other side we just did. Push, push. And make sure it goes in properly, not like tilting out or something, and just push it. And you do the last one, where we're doing right now. And just push it in. So now you've got like this shape, like a diamond, kind of a weird diamond shaped. So now this is where you need to find out where the shape. You're going to kind of make it into a cross, and it should look like that. And you're going to find where the hole is. So I've got mine here. And you're going to blow it up. So more if you have to, you can get a bigger hole just using scissors. So now you've got this cube that will just, and some people who do before is they just put double-sided tape and stick it on their wall or use blue tag. And then, or you can do in the beginning is you put some drawings on there like a high or a flower or whatever to make it a little like stylish. And you're going to just again blow it if you want. And that's what pretty much you made, is this cute cube. And if you got bigger paper, you would have made a bigger one. And yeah. And subscribe if you like this video and comment below. And yeah.